At the beginning of the last century, in 1916, pioneer Henry Fayol created the first principles of our modern practical management theories and gained worldwide fame with his 14 principles of management. He distinguished 6 general activities for industrial enterprises, namely technical, commercial, financial, security, accounting, and managerial. For the management component, he defined 5 functions of management, which are still seen as relevant to organizations today. They are planning, organizing, commanding, coordinating, and controlling. These 5 functions focus on the relationship between personnel and its management and provide points of reference for creative problem solving. Find a full explanation on Henry Fayol's 5 functions of management, as well as the 14 principles of management, with an in-depth video and a practical scientific article on toolshero.com.